Hey guys, welcome to the workout today. We have a 13-minute workout with no equipment. Just want you to start kind of jogging in place and shake out your arms, okay? Now, after we kind of shake it out, we're going to start with twists, okay? I just want your hands up like they're protecting your face, and you're just twisting back and forth, okay? Really engaging your core, okay? Really breathe through this. We're just warming up, getting all the blood to the muscles. All right, good job, guys. Just keep twisting. Perfect. All right, good job, good job. Keep that going strong. Okay, next we're going to go into a one-arm speed bag. So you're going to take that left hand and just like pretend you're doing the speed bag just with the one hand as fast as you can. Okay, now we're going to switch over to the right arm, okay? Speed bag as fast as you can. Good. Get those arms going. Good job, everyone. Way to work. All right, next we're going to go into just a regular speed bag. Okay, you're just pretending there's a speed bag in front of you and you're just hitting it as fast as you can. And make sure to stay on your toes. All right, shake it out again. Good job, everyone. Now we're going to go into cross body hits, okay? So we're just going to come across the body and hit, okay? We're just rotating back and forth, okay? Keep that core tight as you're going and just keep breathing. Every time you punch, you're going to exhale. Good. You're kind of pivoting a little bit on that back foot, just going back and forth across the body. Good job, everyone. Nice tight abs when you're doing everything. Okay, now we're going to go into a squat and do straight punches, okay? So you're just squatting and you're just punching forward, just like straight punches, okay? As fast as you can. Okay, good job. Good job, everyone. Good. Keep this going strong. All right, perfect, perfect. Okay, now we're going to go into a jab and an elbow, okay? So you're going to jab and then elbow with the other hand. Good. So jab, elbow, jab, elbow, jab, elbow. Good. Good job, everyone. See how I'm pivoting on that back foot when I elbow? All right, good job, good job. Staying in that fight stance and jab, elbow. Good job, everyone. Perfect. Now switch stances, okay? So if you had your right foot forward at first, now put your left foot forward and vice versa, okay? So now we're just doing the other side, jab, elbow. I want you doing both sides so that we're nice and even, okay? All right, good job, everyone. Good. Way to get this workout in today. All right, that's what it takes is the consistency. Okay, just shake it out now. And now we're going to go outward elbows, okay? So it's kind of like you're going back and forth. It's like you're elbowing someone off of you, okay? One side, then the other side, okay? Just switching back and forth. Elbow out, elbow out. Good. All right, good job, everyone. Okay, next we're going to go hop, hop, squat, okay? So we're hop, hop, squat, hop, hop, squat, hop, hop, squat. Just trying to burn out the legs a little bit. Good job, everyone. Keep this going. All right, perfect, perfect. Shake out the arms again. Okay, we're going to go into something called a pike push-up, okay? So the idea here is I want you to try to keep your calves, your heels on the ground, okay? It's kind of a stretch in the calves there, and you're doing a push-up, okay? But those heels have to be flat on the ground, okay? That's really important. These are a little bit harder than they look, okay? It looks like they'd be easier than a push-up, but they're just a little bit different. They can be a little bit challenging. All right, good job, everyone. Now we're going to go into overhead punches, okay? Shake it out, and now we're going overhead punches. Good. And stay on those toes. Good. Keep moving, and just punch up to the sky. All right, good job. Just keep those going fast. Perfect. All right, good job, everyone. Now we're going into straight punches, just regular straight punches. Make sure you're on those toes. Good job, keeping the core tight and just punching as fast as you can. All right, everyone, good way to work. Okay, next we're going to go to a calf raise throw. So as you go up on your tippy toes, you're going to pretend you're throwing a ball overhead, okay? Or you're throwing a ball straight up, okay? So just go up on your tippy toes and throw up. Good. Try and go as fast as you can here. Good. It takes a little bit of balance also. Good job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to go to something called plank walkouts, okay? So we're going out, out, back, back, out, back, back. Okay, and see how I'm going left, right, left, right. Now we're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. Good. Out, out, back, back, out, back, back. Good job, everyone. Perfect. Good. Now we're going to go into lateral lunges, okay? We're just doing like a little bit of everything today, okay? So you're just going to lunge out to the side and fire it back. Good, good. We're going to the left here, okay? Just feel that stretch as you lunge down and then fire off that foot and come back. All right, other side, guys. Now we're going to the right. Good job. Lunge, feel the stretch, and fire back. Lunge, feel the stretch, and fire back. Good job. Way to work, guys. Good job. These workouts just take the consistency in order to get the results. I don't care if you do 5 minutes a day or 15 minutes or 60 minutes a day. It's just being consistent. Okay, we are going into upward ropes alternating. So I'm having you pretend that you're holding ropes, okay? And you're slamming them up, okay? You're trying to slam them up, okay? Now you're coming across the body. You're slamming the ropes up and across the body, okay? Good job. Upward ropes here, okay? Going across the body. Okay, now we're going to roll them. It's like you're rolling the ropes, okay? It's like you're rolling your hands forward. Okay, roll your hands forward, stay on those toes, and now switch to backwards. Roll your hands backwards, make backwards circles. Good job, everyone. I know that's a different one, okay? All right, good job. Now I want your hands on top of your head, okay? And I want you to bring your elbow to your knee, okay? We're working on the ab area again, getting those obliques, okay? Good job, everyone. Just left elbow to left knee, and now we're going to go right elbow to right knee. Good job, guys. Perfect. All right. Good, 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 good. Keep this going strong. Good. This is what it takes. All right, everyone. Shake that out a little bit. All right. Good. Let's see. Okay, so next we're just going to go into something on the floor. Okay. I want you to raise your hips up, and then I want you to punch upward, but I want you to punch to the middle of your body, okay? So see how I'm kind of rotating? And just make sure to keep those hips up off the ground. I don't want your glutes to touch the floor. All right, good job, everyone. Okay, now I want you going elbow to knee with crunches, okay? You're just bringing that opposite knee to that opposite elbow. Okay, good. Just going crunches. You can do these kind of fast. Just coming across. Good job. Good job, everyone. Perfect. Good. Trying to burn out those abs. Okay, next, keep those feet up off the ground. Straighten your legs. And I want you to pretend you're holding the ends of a small towel. Okay? And you're just going to come down till you almost touch the ground with your hands and your feet. And then you're going to come back up and meet your hands and your feet up at the top. Okay, good job, everyone. This really gets the abs, the hip flexors, all of it. Right, good job. This is a really great exercise for getting that midsection, helping bring that ab definition in. Okay, now keep your feet up off the floor again. And I want your hands out, and it's like you're hitting your hands forward, okay? You're trying to touch something in front of you. We're just doing crunches with your hands out. Now we're going to go back and forth. You're going to hit it with your left hand, then hit it with your right hand. Good job. You're kind of rotating back and forth. Good job. Good job. Okay, next we're going to go into a hamstring stretch, okay? So I want your feet up. Try to make your legs as straight as you can, okay? And pull your toes toward you, Okay, so we're gonna dorsiflex, okay, pulling our toes towards us, and try to touch your toes, keeping your legs straight, and pull on your toes, and then pull your legs back a little bit, okay? Feel that stretch in the hamstrings. This one just feels good. It's important to get the stretching in there, okay? When we work our muscles, we shorten them, we want to stretch them, so we lengthen them back out and make them long and lean. Okay, now we're doing hip press throughs here. Hip push throughs. Okay, so we're coming down, but I'm not touching my bottom to the floor, okay? I'm just coming back like I'm about to and then pushing forward again. Okay, now I've got a tabletop march, okay? So I'm trying to keep my hips up and just march. Okay, now I'm going in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out. Keep that bottom off the floor. Good. Now we're going to switch the other way. We did right, left, right, left. Now we're going to go left, right, left, right. Good job. In, out, out, in, out, out. Good job, everyone. Perfect. Okay, this is called a hollow hold, okay? So I want your legs straight, and you can keep your feet on the ground, your heels, if you want. We'll point your toes, okay? We're gonna plantar flex, and you're gonna come back as far as you can before you touch the ground, before your back touches the ground. And I just want you to hold that right there. We're just doing a hollow hold. Good job, everyone. Good. You should really feel that in your abs. All right, perfect. Good job, guys. Okay, and now we're going to get up. We're going to stand up again, and we're going to go into a sumo squat hold, okay? So you have your feet nice and wide. Your hands are on your instep, and you're just going to come down and hold it for a couple seconds, and then come back up. But keep your hands on your instep, okay? Don't let go of your ankles there. Okay, you just want to stay right there. You're going to come down as far as you can. Hold it a couple seconds and then come back up. Come down, hold it a couple seconds, and then release back up. All right, good job, guys. All right, perfect. Next, we're going to go into wall slides, okay? So we've done this before on a wall, but right now we're going to do it without a wall, okay? So I want you to reach up as high as you can, and then I want you to bring your elbows down into your side, squeezing your shoulder blades together in the back, okay? And you're just going to hold for a second at the bottom and then come back up. All right, this is a great stretch on the shoulders and the back and the traps, okay? This is a really great exercise to loosen up if you have any tightness in your upper back. All right, guys, good. Just shake that out. That is awesome. We're already done with this workout. Go out and make it a great day.